Have you ever taken a moment to ponder the existence of some of the most unconventional and extraordinary weapons available today? It's quite likely that you haven't. With this content, we're set to unveil an array of weapon models that may have eluded your awareness in the market. Specially curated for you, we've meticulously crafted a list encompassing various types of weapons that promise to captivate your imagination. Don't just skim the surface, immerse yourself in this content as you're in for an enlightening journey. Trust us, you won't regret dedicating time to watching the entirety of the video. Let's start with the video. Number 1. XM50BM. The renowned 50 BMG projectile, often praised for its long-range potential, encounters limitations in various rifles that fail to achieve the necessary precision to guide it with millimetric accuracy to its intended destination. In contrast, the XM50B positions itself as a higher precision weapon compared to conventional anti-material rifles. Loaded with distinctive features, this rifle boasts a free-floating match-grade button, a sharp and grooved barrel target trigger, and a unique locking system. Its robust design includes large-sized aluminum receivers, both upper and lower, manufactured using CNC machines. The 29-inch long barrel features a triple sharp button and is equipped with an HM Recore muzzle brake to ensure the utmost precision possible. The rugged action allows for smooth sliding of the big bolt with minimal friction and a satisfying feel. The excellent quality trigger contributes to this 29-pound rifle's ability to accurately direct the large 50 BMG bullets exactly where desired. The included Magpul PRS stock, along with an AccuTac bipod, make this rifle a comprehensive choice, simply by adding optics to be ready and precise when aiming at the target. Number 2. Thunder Strike. The nickname Thunder is fitting as it fires 2 shots at 22 Winchester mag in each shot from a 1.25-inch barrel. With the ability to shoot 8 rounds in just 3 seconds, it emerges as a powerful and reliable choice for personal defense. Its size resembles that of the Smith & Wesson 442, and its weight of 18 ounces make it suitable for everyday use. In addition to featuring a double stainless steel barrel, it has notable peculiarities, such as the absence of a conventional trigger guard, opting for one that wraps around the trigger area. This modified trigger guard design on the Thunder structure stops after about an inch. The oddities don't end there, as the 2-finger trigger with an articulated trigger safety also stands out. The Thunder includes elevated 3-point red dot sights that are easy to acquire. Its suggested retail price is $429. There's a certain fascination surrounding roller-delayed firearms that escapes our explanation. Number 3. Zenith SF-56. On the other hand, this model integrates the renowned H&K gas delay system with modern components to create an ARS rifle that's easy to operate and maintain. It achieves a cooling factor of 11 and features a patented lower part that supports the AR trigger, grips, and magazines, facilitating user customization. The weapon's manual will be familiar, as it mimics an AR-15 with an extended H&K safety selector. This series incorporates notable features such as M-lock slots for accessory mounting, along with a full-length Picatinny rail for optics. It comes with a 30-round magazine and is compatible with all AR magazines. Finally, its unique operating system allows the use of foldable stocks without the need for bulky adapters, reflecting AR-15 platforms. This non-lethal solution is accurate, easy to handle, and designed for both daily patrolling and crowd control, effective up to 150 feet. Number 4. VKS Pro. The VKS Pro incorporates many new features driven by real-world inputs from law enforcement officers worldwide. The launcher offers a dual-feed system where a user can quickly switch between the hopper mode and magazine mode during an operation for optimal versatility. Additionally, the VKS Pro has no recoil, an M-lock handguard that's both lightweight and robust to handle high-performance accessories, and a quick disconnect of ambidextrous extras that allows a wide range of movements, enabling true ambidextrous handling of the launcher. Suitable for both right-handed and left-handed users, the VXO-compatible projectiles filled with a patented irritant produce a strong kinetic impact and explode upon contact to release a debilitating cloud that affects the eyes, nose, and respiratory system. Number 5. XM556. It's a Gatling-style motorized firearm that fires .556 NATO ammunition as if it were going out of style, and is designed to be portable, making it the first of its kind, half the size of a minigun M134. The XM556 achieves its compact size by firing the smaller .556 cartridge. The gun barrels can now rotate in any direction, facilitating jam clearance. The weapon can be fired at 90-degree angles upward, downward, as well as completely upside down. The rate of fire has been increased to around 8,000 rounds per minute. Mark SAS troops claim that the XM556 is the perfect weapon for ambushes, as it can unleash a large amount of firepower almost instantly. It may not be fatal, but here's a unique soda can launcher that will surely bring a lot of excitement to its users. Number 6. Can Cannon. It offers a unique experience by allowing the launch of soda cans or similar objects in a non-lethal manner. Its exterior design features a long, wide tube attached to the front of the AR-15 rifle, primarily made of aluminum and sturdy steel to ensure lightness and durability. The rear connection fits onto the rifle's barrel. Regarding its components, it includes the launch tube, the mounting mechanism to the rifle barrel, and possibly additional accessories to enhance its functionality. In terms of performance and capabilities, the Can Cannon utilizes the energy generated by a 223-556 blank cartridge. Its range and accuracy may depend on factors such as the projectile's load and gas pressure. It's important to note that its use is intended to be non-lethal, firing non-hazardous objects such as soda cans. As for conveniences and advantages, it provides a unique and playful way to use an AR-15 rifle, offering entertainment and possibly serving as a training tool for non-lethal shooting practices. Additionally, some users appreciate the ability to shoot custom projectiles through 3D printing, adding versatility to the device. Number 7. KEX CDX50 Trimmer. This precision rifle stands out as the best in its category. This gun, the .50 caliber trimmer, originates from the mindset of competition shooters, being robust enough to withstand the demands of shooting sports, rather than being excessively designed to prevent failures. In the midst of action, the trimmer features a foldable stock with all imaginable adjustments, including an adjustable butt pad, length of pull, and cheek rest. The trigger incorporates the distinctive selectable dual-stage trigger, the DX2 Evo from KEX, allowing the shooter to switch between a factory 2-stage trigger and a single-stage one, according to their preferences. The 20.6-inch barrel rests on the MX1 muzzle brake from KEX, constructed with stainless steel 416. This 3-chamber design aims to reduce recoil without generating excess dust when firing horizontally. This rifle is meticulously designed to provide extreme precision when delivering the substantial payload of the .50 cal BMG cartridge. It's important to note that the Kex CDX-50 Trimmer is not affordable, with an MSRP at $8,000. This price is pretty high, but I consider it justified, given the overall quality and components used. And with that, we've concluded our video. What do you think about our choices? Do you agree with them? Tell us in the comments section. If you're a firearms enthusiast, we invite you to check out our playlist. We provide content exclusively for you that you can't afford to miss. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to be part of our community and not miss any updates from us. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next piece of content.